because today is one of the most colder days since I got here in New York. Yesterday was worse because it was windy, but wasn't that cold. It was like -1, -2. We got snow, was very nice, but it was too windy, so I couldn't ride my bike. Today it's too windy to ride our bike. Look at it. Wind, 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 wind. But today it's a beautiful sunny day, so I'm going to Flushing Meadows. I've never been there. It will be my first time, and I'm gonna take you with me. But before that, I decided to make this video showing you what do I wear, because you know I'm from Rio de Janeiro and it's hot there. It's always hot, so I'm gonna share with you what do I wear, and it works. The only thing that I should have better, it's gloves, but because of my hack, the beautiful hack, show you, they're fine. Actually, they're better when I ride my bike than when I walk on the street. So let me show you. First thing, I always wear a merino wool shirt underneath with no sleeves, then a merino wool shirt that covers here, it closes here, and has long sleeves. And you're gonna ask me why this merino wool shirt has no sleeves. I got the habit of using, we call onion. What is that? It's you put layers and layers and layers, and the layer that's closer to your body, you can wear it in a very sunny day. So this way you're prepared for whatever it comes. So that's why this one has no sleeves. Then comes a sleeve. Then comes, usually with all the other days, I just wear this coat. You know, it protects from the wind and it's very warm inside. But today, because even colder, I'm gonna start my riding with this one on top, especially because I have a hood. Hoods, they help you so much, because when you cover the ears, oh, you're so much better. And for today's ride, every day I just wore one sock with my shoe that I bought in Decathlon, remember? Yes. But today I'm wearing 2 socks, merino wool socks, okay? And these pants I also bought in Decathlon. No, Decathlon doesn't sponsor me, but I like it. It's a very good pants that warms you up. It doesn't let the water goes in, and it's stretch. It's very good. I'm wearing only these pants because I'm riding, and usually what I do, I put those socks all the way to the knees, okay? But like the other day that I was only walking, I wear a merino wool pants underneath that pants. Yes, it's cold. For the hat, I use this, has a like silver thing. It's from Colombia, just to hold my hair in place and cover a little bit my ears. And I wear this, is so good. It's a buffer. It's a great buffer. It's merino wool. Yeah, I know. Don't tease me. It's just that it works. For gloves, that's what I'm lacking. Usually, that will be fine. I wear this and this. Today, I'm gonna take this one too, but this is not enough. It's not a great glove. But since I have my beautiful hack that works fabulous, we'll be fine. Oh, another thing that I do is that my helmet is a summer helmet. Can you see how many holes it has? So I always put a rain cover on top, so it covers the holes. And underneath my pants, I wear the cycling shorts. So basically, that's it. So let's see if it works today, because today is very, 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 very cold. It feels like -11, so I hope it can make it. So I hope it does work, but if it gets cold, I'll just grab a subway, metro, tube. I'm not ashamed, you know. I don't want to feel bad. Like yesterday it was raining, snowing, a lot of wind, so much wind, and I said, why do I have to get out? That's why I did a lot of videos for you guys. So I stay home. I just went out for, you know, just a quick bite. And came back. So I hope you did like it. Put in the comments, what else do you wear when it's cold like this? Well, another thing that helps a little bit is to drink some coffee before you go out. Not much, it's just a bit. Because it warms your core, you know? Your inside gets warmer. It helps you. Okay, one last tip. Before you put all those clothes on, put everything away, you know. Prepare your bicycle, put water on your water bottle, get your things ready, because after you put all these clothes on, ooh, it's hot. Outside it's cold, but here, hot. Yes, I put the hook on top because if it's not that cold, I'm gonna take it out. And if it is not that cold, I'll take this coat out also. But if it is, I'm protected. So let's go. So let's try to get to Flash Meadows. That's another video. Show you.